everyone. We're on the plane right now. We're getting ready to. We're getting ready to. Here, I got headphones. Yeah, we're flying back instead of Newark. We're actually flying back to we're flying back to LaGuardia instead of Newark, which will be cool to see. Because I haven't been to LaGuardia Airport many times in my life, and the view looks kind of bad. On camera, the view looks a little bad because it's raining out, but hopefully the view gets better when we take off. So yeah, we're flying on Delta. I think this is a Boeing 737, I think. So yeah, we should be taking off soon.
Let's reflect on the gift that is travel.
Yeah, hopefully the view. I think the view is going to get a lot better when we take off. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's in focus now. Yeah. I also just found out that this is actually an Airbus A320, not a Boeing. Yeah. Yeah. So I didn't record our flight to Florida because it was because our flight here was in the dark and the view would have been bad.
Connecting you to what matters is what matters most. As America's most awarded airline, this remains our number one honor.
There's some UPS planes over there. Hard to zoom in on them, but there's some UPS planes over there.
For flying with Delta.
Our first priority on every flight is the health and safety of our customers and crew.
So before we depart, please pay attention to this important safety message.
Playing a safety video, which I'm watching too. We always play safety videos before we take off.
Under the seat in front of you.
If you lose your electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for assistance. Please ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear.
As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened.
To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest.
For children who weigh less than 35 pounds, place the vest around the infant's waist.
There's some Prime airplanes. I think that might be a new airline with the Amazon Prime logo on the tail.
Are located in marked compartments at the front and rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary. Now.
And I do apologize if the view looks bad from the raindrops, but I think when we take off, it should be good.
And your tray table is put away. Please take a moment to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
Now, as we get ready for takeoff, please settle in and have a wonderful flight. Thank you for flying with Delta.
We're not taking off yet. We should be taking off soon. we're taking off yet? I think so. I thought we were taking off for a second. I think we're about to though. Yep, here we go. Yep, taking off now. Bye-bye, Florida. Oh yeah, there we go. The view is way better now. It's the wind blew away the raindrops. Yeah, it's very foggy out. I think that's downtown Tampa over there. Yeah, we woke up this morning, it was very foggy, and it still is. Oh yeah, we're in the air now. There's a bridge down there. And the view is nice up here with all the view is very nice with all the fog and clouds around. Oh, we're turning now. A lot of lakes. When we came down to Florida, we flew on United. Yeah, but this time we're flying on Delta. Yeah. I'm gonna stop recording in a minute. I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna record again later. Yeah, when we're about maybe an hour out, I'm gonna record later. Yeah, very nice views. About 45 minutes in now. It's very beautiful out now. It's not foggy anymore. might be in Georgia now. I'm not sure though. We might still be in Florida, but I'm not. Probably not. I think we're in Georgia now. Flight map that I'm looking at right now. Oh, it says we're already in South Carolina. That was pretty fast. Our flight last time to Florida was 3 hours, but this time it's just over 2 hours. So this one is way quicker, apparently, which is very nice. Very nice out. About almost 45 minutes away now. Now it's pretty cloudy out again. The view earlier was very nice. We also got some snacks that I already ate.
Actually, before too long, we actually climbed up to 37,000 feet. We're going to actually start our descent here in about 80 miles into LaGuardia. And the rides are going to degrade as they already have. And as you know, the flight attendants terminated the service here. So there's some people on board that didn't get served on the way into LaGuardia. I apologize for that. But flight attendants are going to stay in their seats for the remainder of the flight. Well, we should have you back here about 30 minutes or so into the gate for left landing. Weather, as I said, is perfectly fine for LaGuardia, just low visibility and a little misty on the ground there as you exit the terminal. If you are indeed returning home, welcome back, and then this time I'd like the flight attendants for Cap Providence.
What are you watching? Oh, cool.
We've begun our initial descent into New York's LaGuardia. Please ensure all of your carry-on items are properly stowed. Fasten your seatbelt. You may continue to
We're already starting to descend.
Wow. Will be passing through the cabin shortly, so check your seat pockets and air on your seats for any items you would like to discard. We ask that as the flight attendants come through the cabin to collect any remaining service items and/or trash.
This was a quick
that
flight.
you have your items ready for disposal. At this time, cabin service has been discontinued in all cabins, so the flight attendants can secure their galleys for landing. If you are unable to get your snack and/or beverage service item of choice, we are sincerely sorry.
Yeah, but some people didn't get snacks, but we did. I was also just watching The Godfather. It's a great movie. It's a movie that I've seen with my dad many times, but I decided to watch it again here. It's a very good movie. Yeah, they have Harry Potter. They had Doctor Strange. A lot of good movies. Indiana Jones. Inside Man. It. Jaws. A lot of good stuff. Yeah, they have tons of good movies, but The Godfather, I don't know why. It's just a movie I wanted to watch. About 20 minutes away from LaGuardia. Starting to descend now, which I think we are. Alright, we should be landing. We should be landing in a few minutes. Hard to see how high up we are because of all the clouds. Tracker says we're like 5 minutes away, so we should be landing any minute, maybe really. Okay, I think I'm trying to send now. Just so hard to see because of all the clouds. Very foggy. It looks like we're going through some rain now too. Oh, we're here already. It's very foggy. Well, here we are. haven't been to LaGuardia. We usually we don't fly into LaGuardia because normally we fly into Newark, and it's also a much smaller airport.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to LaGuardia, where the local time is 2:24 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful on opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. You may receive an email from Delta asking you to share your experience with us. We value your feedback and use your responses to continually improve your travel experience. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for flight and managing your SkyMiles account. As you deplane, please remember to look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought on board. On behalf of Delta and this New York-based crew, we enjoyed having you on board and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a happy new year.